it's Bill Tainter. I'm doing a market review video for you. This is also working on the ForexU alerts trade, and here's the alert. The alert was the euro broke 31.10, retested it, shot to highs 31.55, and then it closed below 31.10. So I parked a sell here, and it just touched me into a sell, and I'm just looking to get it down to 3100 here, retest, and to shut it down or take profit. One, take profit. Two, in here. The average daily range is up around 100 pips, and today it's at 91. So it's kind of done, right? It started low, hit high, now it's chopping around in the middle. And so I'm just trying to see if I can get this here. Now, in another demo trade, is I was just poking around here on a 5-minute. This is a 15. I bumped it up to a 15. But here is it came back down here. I did a buy. And then it closed and closed. And so now I've scaled out. I moved the stop. And I wouldn't be shocked if, right? This is oscillating pretty hard in here. So this could stop me out and then continue downward like the original retest. So one I did early. One I did. Trend is up. It's above a red cluster, so it came down. I bought it. Well, then it failed. So when it failed and came back up, I scaled out, tightened my stop. On the other chart is I was a little more patient. I waited, and it broke through at the London close, the last candle. It broke below. So based off that break below, I sold it on a retest. Let's see what happens. Okay, so my little buy just got stopped out. So I tried to buy it here. It broke down, and when it came back up, I scaled 2 out here, and then I tightened my stop, and see how it just got up. It failed, came over and just popped me out. So let's see how it's going on this sell. Okay, we're down 4 pips, and it's trying. It's struggling. Alright, so here it's starting to come down. Starting to swing. Let's look at a smaller time frame. Get that garbage out of the way. There we go. That's what it looks like. 15-minute. Push down, London close, swung up, swung down, oscillating around. So we'll see if we can get her going here. Here it's punching. All of a sudden, just when everybody said, okay, let's buy it, hurry up, buy it, here it's making its move. Okay, here we go. See if we can get it. We're just trying to get it down to 3,100. Wow, you see it just had to touch. Look at that. Had to touch it one time. Wow, to the pip. And now it's struggling here. 3102. See if we can get it to touch down at 31. Moving to break even +1. It's got to go my way or I'm out. So let's see what it does here. Trying to get to break even. Our line is here, 3109. There we go. We're locked and loaded. Break even. Cannot lose. Stand by. Initiating launch sequence. Okay, good. Just took profit. We got 7. Not bad. Let's see if we can get this to move. So it took a while to get paid on this deal. So there's an example of a London close where price moved up and it closed, below a big grid. We parked a sell, it floated back up, touched us in, turned over, and headed down. And now we're looking to see if we can hit take profit 2 at 30.90 or break even. We really don't care. Break even +1. So we got 7. We'll see what happens. Okay, so we got take profit 2 hit. Let's run this right there. Right there. Great. 7 and 17 so far off that bounce. This was a 4XU alerts that we came back up, touched this, so it's 716, 717 based on rounding, I'm sure. So we'll see how it goes and see how it finishes out here. Alright, so we're wrapping up the day here. It's about 4:15 and just showing how it's the end of the day, how it broke down, came back for retest. We got in here, chop, 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 plunged to profits. We pulled off 7, 17, and 1, finished it out, stopped us out of break even. So came back to this 1.3110 is a big red cluster. So we had a successful 4XU alert trade there, and we posted at a London close. That's how it ended up for the day. So talk to you tomorrow. Thanks.